Hi everyone! In this video, we want to talk about how to use GeoGebra to visualize solids of rotation. So first of all, we download GeoGebra Classic 6 and launch it. And here we can right click and graphic. We can show the major grid lines, okay? So first of all, we want to have some function. Okay, so in the input label, we can insert some function. Let me insert f of x equals minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so this is one function. For the other function, let me call it g of x equals 0.5 x squared. Okay, so this is the other function. All right, so we have two functions. I'm interested on the area between them from 0 to 2. Okay, so the intercepts at the point 2, 2. So if you want to, so in general, if you don't know what points they intersect, you can always put the points by here. We have two intersection points. So see here. So we can find the point and we want to find the intersection point. So we click intersect and then we click those two curve. Then see the point A is the intersection point. Alright, so in general, in this cases, we know those two graphs intersect at the point 2, 2. But in general, this is how you find the intersection points. And then if you want to know the x values or y values of the intersection points, you can do x of A. This is the x coordinates of the point A. And if you want to know the y value, you can do y of A. So then you know the intersection points and you know the x, y coordinates of that point. Okay? So next, I want to compute I want to consider the area from between the function f and g, and then the x value goes from 0 to 2. So this is the region we are considering. Okay, so to obtain a 3D visualization, we go to the right hand side upper corner. We click the view. See this view button. And then you can see we have 3D graphics. So we clicked the 3D graphic. Okay, then you can see we have 3 windows here. The first window is the algebra windows. The second windows is the 2-dimensional picture, and the third one is the 3-dimensional picture. You can see the options we click on different window are different. If we click the middle one, we see this is like the 2-dimensional functions, and when we click the 3D window, then we have more stuff here. See, we have more stuff here. We click the middle one, we have less stuff here. Okay, so next we let's build a slider. Okay, so let's build a slider in the, so we click the middle window, we build a slider here. So be careful, don't build a slider in the 3D one. So the 2-dimensional one, we build a slider here. So we build a slider here. This is gonna correspond to the points that are moving. Okay, so let's call it A. And this numbers, let's make it varies from 0 to 2 because I'm interested the region when the x goes from 0 to 2. Okay, so increment, let's do 0.05. Okay, so we have a slider here. Okay, so let's oops, cancel. So if you want to move stuff, make sure you click this arrow. Okay, then you can move. Alright, so after we build the slider, I want to construct 2 points that correspond to the A values. So I'm gonna call this is point B equals to A f of A, and point C equals A G of A. So you can see when A varies, our point B and C varies, and you can see the 3D picture. So that's the same thing as the 3D picture. Okay, so it moves as well. Okay, we can zoom in and zoom out as well. Okay, so next, what do we do? I want to have this region rotate about the line y equals to -2. So let me input the line y equals -2. Okay. All right. So, oops. So I click the 3D 3D view, so it will actually give me a plane. So, but actually I don't want a plane. I just want a line in the 2D. So let me delete that. Okay, so we can click delete, and I click this center window. Okay, I'm gonna put again. So y equals to -2. So you can see I get a line instead of plane. So, well, yeah, it really depends on which window you click. And if you click the 2-dimensional windows, you get a line. If you click the 3-dimensional window, you get a plane, right? A linear equation in the 3-dimensional space is a plane. Okay, so what is next? So we want to connect the 2 points B and C with a line segment. So click the center window. I want to connect 2 points. So here we choose segment. Okay, we can click point B and point C. Okay, so that is the line segment. I don't want to show the label, but let's change the color. So let's change the color to, how about orange? Okay, maybe I want to also change the color here. Let's make, oops. Okay, you see I do something wrong. So we can go back. Oops. Okay, so far so good. All right, so next, okay, so next we want to create a washer. Okay, so what do we do here? We want to draw 2 circles in the 3-dimensional graphic, okay, view. So here, let's close this guy first. So we click the 3D window, and then you can see a lot of options here. We want to draw a circle. So we want to draw a circle. So we want to draw the circle here. Okay, we want to draw the circle with points with center, radius, and direction. We don't have the center yet, so let's input the center. The center is on the center window. We want to click, let's say is the point D. D is we have A, and then the y value is -2. Okay, so that is the center. That's the D. So now we click the 3-dimensional window now. We're ready to build a circle. So we have circle with center, radius, and direction. Okay, so click that. We click the center, and the radius is A. So let's see. The radius is actually 2 plus G of A. Okay, let's see whether it works. Yes, you can see this is the circle. Okay. Oops. Okay, so we can also change the color of it. So we can click setting, and then we can change the color. Let's change the color to oops. Oh, okay. So we changed the color to, how about yellow? Oops. Sorry, I think I clicked the wrong one. Okay, I don't want to change the color of point D. I want to change the color of my circle. Okay, so this is my circle. I want to change to yellow. Okay, so this is one circle. And I want to be the second circle, so we go click here and we click the circle option, circle with center and radius and direction. So first we click the center. So in the 3D view, okay, we click the center. You see I click the center, the point D, a -2, and then I click the direction. So direction, I want to point it to the direction I want to point to the right axis, so I click on the right hand side of the point D, and then it asks me to input the radius. The radius in this case is 2 plus f of a. Okay, so we click OK. See, I get a bigger circle. So let me change the color of this bigger circle. So, oops, okay. So color, let me change to blue. Alright, so this is the picture we get. Okay, so now let my A goes. Okay, and let's show chase. Okay, now you can see the solids of revolution that we build. Isn't it so cool? Okay, and if you want to have a finer solid, you can always setting the increments, you can make it smaller, then you get a beautiful solid. Okay, so this is our project. This is solid of revolution. And next, how do we share our project to public? So we click the right upper corner. You click here. Let's see. Do we have save? So file. Okay, click save. So it actually asks you to sign in. So let me sign in my Google account. Okay, so after I sign in, here you have the option to shared or private. Make sure you choose to shared. Okay, so if you don't have this option, then you might want to save another time. Okay, so I tried before. Sometimes if this option doesn't show up, you want to save it again, then until you see this option. So this title is. So this is calculus 2. So here we use GeoGebra to visualize solid of rotation. So save, and then we should get a link. So saving, yes. So this is the link we get, and so any website. Oops. So any websites, we enter that link. Hopefully we can see our projects. So here is our project. Alright, you can see as the points move, and then we get a washer. Okay, so we can play with it and see how it looks like. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day.